Guys, this video is going to be how to do stiletto nails at home when you don't actually have the stiletto nails. So I wanted to make this video a lot faster. Everybody know how to put their nails on. I already put them on, push my cuticles back, and prime them. So this is going to be the way to turn regular tips into stiletto nails. You cut at an angle like a triangle, and you see it gives you the stiletto nails. So you can, if you don't have the stiletto nails, you can create them by cutting one angle off the nail, then the other side. And this will be how you can make your own stiletto nails at home without having the actual stiletto tips. You guys see? This is going to be your way of doing that. And I think for me, like if you're doing your nails and you just starting out, somebody's just starting out, use a smaller brush. A lot of times we'll buy them bigger brushes, and the bigger brushes is harder to control the acrylic. When I get done cutting these, I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. And when I use that brush, I feel like I'm more in control of, it's hard cutting with my left hand. I feel like I'm more in control with the acrylic when I use smaller brushes like this versus bigger brushes. And I can control the product a whole lot better. So I like to use a smaller brush. So I'm going to start out with this brush because I got my other brush cleaning. And like I say, my cuticles has already been pushed back and I've already put the primer on. So we're going to dip it into the acrylic. Get off any excess. Don't have the brush soaking. And then you're going to, I'll put it right here. Then you're going to, right here. Right there. And then you're going to dip it into the acrylic and kind of pick it up. Sort of like a ball. Let it start to cloudy up a little bit where it's not runny. And then place your ball right there. Now everybody place their ball in different areas. I like to place mine right on where the nail, where I attached a nail, and start building my bed. So pat it down in there really good. So if you pick up less product and not so wet and mushy, it's easy to control. If you go to picking up more product, it's harder to control, especially as a newbie, a beginner. I just like smaller brushes. They're much better. So again, now I'm gonna drop this ball right there where my cuticle and nail bed begins. Gino, get out. And do around the sides. And now I'm going to pick up another ball, drop it toward the bottom to make the fullness. So again, drop it right there, guys. And if you guys practice a lot, you can definitely do your own tips. Now, I didn't know that it makes you unique if you can work with your left and right hand when it's doing the nails. So yes, I do my left and I can do my right and left hand. I can work with the left hand as well as the right hand doing the nails. But I think that's just the amount of muscle memory. If you do something long enough, you'll be able to control that left hand. So yes, I do both of my hands. Because, you know, when I used to go to the shop, and after, like, sometime I didn't want to do my own nails. And when I go there, they'll say, who did your nails before? You know, because you'd be new coming there. And I did. And then the nail tech lady said, you did your left and right hand? And I said, yeah. She said, oh, and these is the Asian nail techs. And they like, oh, that's unique. There's not a lot of people that can do that. I was like, oh, I didn't know that. She said she could do her right hand, but she couldn't do her left hand. She can work with her right hand, but not with her left hand. So again, put the product on where you want it. And the key is not to have it real runny and, you know, out of control. But when I'm doing it like this, it makes it easier for me to work with the acrylic. I'm in control of the amount of acrylic that I'm picking up. I'm not going crazy with the acrylic, liquid acrylic. And guys, a lot of my products, eBay. You guys want to start doing your own nails at home, try out eBay. eBay will be the way, eBay. And the fuller you want it, like if you want it, your nails thicker down to the bottom, when you get down to the bottom, just add more product down there. And that'll give you that fullness. You know, like some people like their nails to be super thick. So you just take it and then put it right here and pat it in. And you'll get that fullness. You know, some people like to have their nails really like thick and full. And then some people like the thin. So that's how you build up the product down there. Just take it and put it down there. But yes, you guys can do y'all stiletto nails at home. Yes, I have all this stuff. I been working on nails for like a long time. Been, you know, doing it like a really long time. And the more you do it, the better and better you're going to get. But I discovered that when I work with a big brush, I do a lot of filing, a lot of mess. But if I'm working with a small brush, I'm more in control of the acrylic. So that's what I realized. So you guys could definitely do your own nails at home. Save a lot of money. And if you can't work with your left hand yet, just keep practicing. And over time, you'll be able to use your left hand as well as your right hand. And guys, I'm just going to do this one for you guys, and then I'll stop the video. I just wanted to show you guys that how to do your stiletto nails at home. So I'm going to pick it up again and drop it right there. And then pat it in. And remember, the less you pick up, the easier it is to control. The more you pick up, the more it is to control when you're a beginner. So that's why I like the smaller brushes. Because I have the ability to pick up less and get it done. So putting it right there where the nail connected. Because you definitely don't want it to crack and break if you got it too thin. Going around my cuticle. Okay, down to the last one. But yes, you guys can do your stiletto nails at home. And eBay has the whole kit with everything in it, guys. eBay. Gino, get out. Now this brush is kind of dirty, so I'm going to switch. Put that one in a nail brush cleaner. And I'm going to switch to my other smaller brush. And these little brushes I got from Sally's out of a little case that comes with the nail kit. So yeah, I want something smaller because when I do my left hand, I really like to be in control. So I even go with a smaller brush when I'm doing my left hand. And it's just, you know, it might take a little longer to build a product up, but I'm more in control of the product. Then I have my lights and stuff I sit under and, you know, get them prepped. So I just wanted to show you guys how to do some stiletto nails at home. And you guys can achieve this at home. Okay, guys. So there you go. Now I just got to file and buff. But you guys can do your stiletto nails at home. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Hey guys, part 2. I'm going to use my drill and clean up the edges going around the nail so that they can look more natural when you're going around the nail. So you just, if you got a drill at home, just take it and go around the cuticles to get that clean, to clean it up. So I'm just cleaning it up, guys. So I'm cleaning up the, going around the nail and cuticle. So I'm cleaning it up. So like if any nail acrylic is on the actual nail or hand, I'm cleaning it up. So I'm just trying to, do I turn it this way for you guys to see? Yeah, I'm just trying to clean it up. Going around the cuticle, getting all the mess out. Making it look more normal. I'm just trying to do one hand for you guys versus two hands, because probably it take forever. If you get it with one hand, you of course can follow along with the other hand. Okay. All right. So, again, guys, my drill, I actually got it from a nail place in Minnesota. But you guys can go on eBay and they have all the nail drills. So now after I go around the cuticles with the file to make sure that any acrylic that was overlapping under the nail bed, I'm cleaning that up so that the nails can look more natural. So after I do that, I kind of buff around. And then I would say the longest part is like, for me, is shaping the shape. Because once I go around the cuticles, and then that's why when you do your own nails at home, you don't have to make them all bulky and thick. So now I'm just trying to clean up any of the edges that don't look normal with my file. Go in and clean that up. So that's what I'm doing right here. Going in, file and cleaning any of that up. So anything that's, you know, don't look right, I'm cleaning it up. Cleaning it up. So I'm just filing and cleaning up everything, guys. Anything that don't look right or natural, just go in and clean it up. But you guys can achieve your stiletto nails at home. Okay, so now that I got all that, I put a little oil on, and then, you know, of course, my other hand is not finished, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick little, you know, how to do your stiletto nails at home. Put a little cuticle oil on, and my nails will be washed at this point, and then I'm ready to put whatever color nail polish on and style. So this is the point where they at now. I'll turn it this way. So now this hand is ready to wash, and I can be ready to, you know, start styling. But of course, I'm not at that point because I have to complete my other nail. So that's that. I'm going to file the other one, and then I'm going to try to come back and show you guys a finished product. Okay. But that's what they should look like once you get them all cleaned up. All right. Okay, guys. So this is the finishing result of my stiletto nails. I just quickly just threw on some polish or whatever just to come live and just show you guys, so you guys can achieve this at home. And this is the final. My hands look crooked when I do it like this. This is the final result. So I just do them the weird colors. So thank you guys for watching, and you guys can create stiletto nails at home. Bye bye.